Alright, so welcome to a brief tutorial on how to replace the screen on a Lenovo T430u. It's very simple. Unlike some Lenovo units, there are no screws, so you can pretty much do it, well, by no screws I mean there are no screws here and here, so first step is to fully power off the unit. Look how ugly that screen was. Did I swear already?
Ugly could be considered offensive.
I don't think it's profanity. With the unit fully powered off, gently pry off the display casing, taking care not to crack. You can use a knife if you need to, but on this one we can get our fingernails up and get it off pretty simply. With the plastic bezel removed, remove the screws supporting the display unit. Remember to keep the screws organized, otherwise you'll put it in the wrong spot and mess everything up. Now you got a magnet screwdriver, that's nice.
Indeed. We're probably going to have to fast forward this part though.
We'll finish in 10 minutes. Note that there are 4 screws on the bottom and only 2 screws on top. Did you miss this one?
Yeah, I did.
So now we're ready to lift the LCD display out. But don't tear it out, otherwise you'll rip this cable down here.
Wait, does the angle show the keyboard part?
Yeah, that's good. I was just checking the cable. That's good enough. Alright, now we're ready to remove the LCD cable. Slowly lift off the cable. No sudden tears, otherwise you can rip the actual hookup, which is very sensitive. And you can save that piece of plastic. There's a little piece of tape for later. Now we can remove the faulty LCD unit and throw it in the trash. Now, remove the new LCD unit from the bag and place it face down on the keyboard. Now, we're ready to reattach the display assembly. Again, nice and slow here. You're going to want it to snap into place and then slide the tape down to support it. That's good. Alright, next. Return the LCD panel to the proper position and reattach the screws. Taking care to reseat this cable.
Right, it looked kind of weird. There's that bit that was good. Okay.
That's good. Good enough. Don't worry, we'll skip the bad parts, like when I tear the tape off.
That was really bad.
Whoops.
Is there a protection? This protective film?
Yeah, there's a film here. We'll say that after we fast forward through you screwing this on. Do you know how to edit videos? I have no clue.
Wait, what?
What's the matter?
I took one of the wrong screws off. Took it off on the hinge.
God damn it. You did the thing we said not to do.
And that's why there was still one there.
And finally, we're ready to reattach the bezel. Gently snap it down into place. Gently. Now, power on the unit. You didn't take the tape off either.
Yeah, they can do that on their own. Okay, it's looking pretty nice.
Nice.